Welcome back, everybody. So today we got some T&T cartridges we about to unbox. T&T tattoo cartridges. Nice seal on there, nice seal, because they normally just pop right open. Well, let's see what we got here. This is the package. T&T, trust at the first touch. TNTtattoos.com. And this says 3 boxes. The first box, standard 9-round liners, which this is one of the ones I mainly use, is 9-round liners. And the second ones I mainly use, 7 curved mags, is one of the main things that I use, especially for portraits. Also comes along with these little stickers here. Let's see what they is. Trust at first touch needle cartridges. I'm gonna pop these open just to see what they is. It look like stickers. Yep, stickers it is. Patent membrane. Yep. And this box here, guess what? Another 7-round liner, standard edition. And I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on the YouTube channel. So everybody that's on the YouTube channel, look out, here comes the giveaway. This is gonna be the first giveaway on this channel. And it's gonna be the 7-round liner. It's the most standard needle that you could use for almost any tattoo. And so with the 7-round liner and the 7 curve mag, I'm gonna be putting that to work on some face skin. I already got an idea of what I'm gonna be doing. So let's open these up. Slides open. And here you go. How they look before me. This is the back. Standard 12 gauge. Clear cartridge. Also got the little grooves in it. Says it's supposed to be real tight so the ink don't leak out. We're gonna give that a try. By the label and slide them out. Slide out a lot easier. And yep, these are the 7 curve mags, still clear cartridges. I got a tight grooving right there. We're gonna give these a try, y'all. Until we get to this fake skin, we about to catch y'all later. So let me go to the back and set up. Let's go. Okay, and I'm starting off with the 7 curve mag to block in some shapes. And first thing I noticed, the ink is going in the fake skin pretty well. So that's a sign that they are real sharp needles. And as I continue on, I also noticed another thing, the membrane in the inside, real smooth. You can tell that it's premium quality. Oh yeah, y'all see how I'm hitting the shades, liner. And luckily I don't even gotta drop the voltage too much on this fake skin. By barely tapping it. Slowly building up tones. And I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like I don't really be making a hard, solid outline. I just kind of, like I'm shading in small circles to build that line up right there. So in the head I want it to be soft. I don't want it to be like a pushed in line. Slowly build up them tones right there. Using our 7 curve mag, you definitely want some soft shading, nothing too hard. And to transition your tones, you want to softly use the whip shading technique to soften it up. In spots like this on the nose, I definitely switch to my 7-round liner to pack that black in there, but still not giving it a hard line around the edges. You gotta remember, when doing realistic, it's not a lot of hard lines. It's a lot of shades put together. Okay, I moved on to the face with a 7-round liner, packing in all the shades slowly. And so far, this is how far we got. Let's use the T&T ointment, start cleaning them up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in the face, but this time I'm going to use a mag. Last time I used a liner. And I'm also going to run it at a higher speed. It's at 7.6. I believe I use this more at like 6 volts. So let's see. Well, the voltage high, we also moving fast. That's a small circles, slowly build up your own black. If you want it to be pitch black, you know, make sure you slowly build it up. Don't try to rush it in there. Same thing with the other shades. You're gonna start from light to dark. By it being black, you go straight black and slowly build it up.
So what's different about those than the other brands?
And that's, well, one thing for sure is different. The ridges on the outside is supposed to be for like when you dip in, so it don't spit. You know, spit ink out. And I tried it out and it do work. So I guess the ink get caught in the grooves. 'Cause I had tried it out when I dipped that whole needle in. It wasn't really spitting no ink or nothing like that.
Yeah, that can be beneficial.
Well, with them grooves? Yeah, definitely. Because most of the time people don't just dip the needle, they dip the whole cartridge. And instead of keep having to like tap, tap it on here, you ain't got to worry about it at all. I think they, so far, it seems pretty sharp. That's about it. Other than that, like, I think they kind of like every other needle. Nothing else like that's too much different. They got this membrane in it, but a lot of colors got membrane, but this has a thicker premium membrane in it. No ink would like go back into the machine. That's what the membrane for. All right, y'all. We about to. You see the lines went in real much smoother. We could use the mag at a faster speed. But now I'm about to go in and touch these cracks with a medium tone. And not really like making no hard lines, just tapping through it lightly so don't leave no harsh marks. We about to try this with the line, as you see, and that mark hitting way faster. Also smoother. Yeah, so on fake skin, it's best to just move at a faster pace because this is a lot more smoother than I was able to get. Even that, a lot more smoother, and I used the liner right there. Faster pace seemed like to work. I know on real skin, I definitely don't use a faster pace. Go pretty slow, take my time. All right, let's apply some A&D ointment, wipe it down. Definitely got enough information down for our T&T cartridges to try them out. Now, like I said before, early on in the video, I think they definitely are sharp. They're going in the skin well, even though it was at a low speed early on, it was still going in. But like I said, I couldn't get no smooth blends like that, even though I know that could be a lot more smoother. So we're gonna go back over that. But also with these cartridges, I don't know if y'all know the little edges on the side. So they do help with like ink getting caught in there so it don't spill all over while you're tattooing. So that's definitely a good feature right there. Because a lot of people have that problem. I even had the problem. And I had to dab it on a paper towel due to the fact is I dip in the ink and your cartridge get dipped in the ink as well and not just your needle. So just got to pay attention to that. But these, you don't really have to worry about it too much because they definitely will absorb that ink for you. This out, another key feature. It's a real premium piece of rubber in there. So that's the membrane to stop anything from shooting back through the back of your machine, coming out the back of this needle. And I tried it out myself. There was definitely nothing that came through. All right, and this is where we're gonna leave it at until we finish up later on. All right, y'all, so y'all heard my opinion, everything that I really liked about it. Like I said, they felt sharp, pretty good needles. Another thing that's a beneficial is the little slits in the middle of the cartridge. Y'all seen that? That's definitely beneficial because a lot of people tapping the dip and they wonder why cartridge is spilling out ink. That's one of the reasons why. So that's the less thing you have to worry about when using the T&T cartridges. Also, another thing that stands out to me is the premium membrane inside the cartridge. Step up from all those low budget cartridges because they ain't felt dull. It wasn't hard to work with. It wasn't spitting no ink. That's one of the things that I pointed out. It wasn't spitting no ink. The next thing is, like I said, the membrane. So those three things stand out to me: sharpness, membrane quality. They featured what catching the absorbing the ink. Less thing you gotta worry about, but overall, the tattoo cartridge at the end of the day. I did say we're gonna be doing a giveaway on this channel. Yes, this YouTube channel. This is the first giveaway on this YouTube channel. And we're gonna be giving away one box of 7-round liner T&T cartridges. And whoever the winner is, they can also let y'all know their experience, how they felt about it. But definitely y'all stay tuned. More videos will be on the way and more giveaways definitely on the way. So stay tuned, lock in, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Baby, let's go!